Hello there, Cancer. Welcome to the channel. This is the Lady of the Throne, where God dwells within me as me. I am here today with your love guidance, and this is going to be until the middle of the month, so to about November 15th. Okay, so if this sounds like it resonates with you, or if you like this, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Feel free to drop a comment down below and subscribe. Also, if you guys are interested in getting personal guidance to find out what's going on in your love life, your life purpose, all that good stuff, that amazing spiritual guidance that you may be seeking at this time, don't hesitate to reach out. Okay, click the title of this video, and when you do that, scroll down and you will see the link for my shop down below. Okay, if you are interested. So Cancer, let's go ahead and get into your message. All right, so this is about love, okay? This is about a person that you may be interested in dating or crushing on, or someone you're in a situationship with. All right, so what's up with you right now in this connection? It seems like some of you are slowly falling in love with someone, or maybe you're slowly falling deeper in love with somebody that you are dealing with right now. Or maybe you slowly are starting to be more attracted to someone that you have a crush on right now. But either way, I feel like you guys are kind of like trying to fight the urges that you have to reach out to them or to talk to them directly. But I think it could be coming from a little bit of shyness from you, Cancer. You could be a little shy or a little timid about going directly to this person to talk to them about things, but I feel like slowly but surely you're falling more deeper into this connection with them. You could be keeping your space, between you and this person, but you really maybe just temporarily doing this until this person shows you more inviting energy. Like maybe you want them to let you know that it's okay to talk, or maybe you're ready for them to reach out to you. Maybe that is what you're waiting for. Maybe you just want them to reach out to you. You want them to talk to you. You want to hear what it is that they want, or maybe you want them to show more efforts towards you within this love connection. Okay, I do feel like something about this person or this connection altogether seems to be highly favored by a lot of people, and also by God for a lot of you. Some of you have been divinely guided to a specific person to be in their life, but it's also highly favored by a lot of people. I'm getting that strongly, that a lot of people want you two together. A lot of people are on your side. A lot of people love you. They love them. They want you guys to be together. So people are like rooting for you guys, I feel. This seems like a very, very special romantic offer that is coming your way from this person. As they seek your attention at this time. So I feel like they're trying to get your attention. This person could feel like maybe you could be a little bit hard to love, or maybe sometimes you could be playing hard to get, but they also feel like it's hard to let you go. Even if you could be making things a little bit more hard for them than like other people would make it for them, they can't let you go. And I think it could be because you are not an easy catch. I think that that's why they want whatever you want, but they do want something. That's what they know. They want something with you. So they have so many dreams about you right now too. You're coming up in this person's dream state in this season. They're not really wanting to waste any more of your time. I feel like they come toward you with something a little different at this time. They want more with you, and they could be even confessing their feelings to some of you, telling you exactly what it is that they want, or how they want things to move within this connection as you both move forward. This person feels like they've been on some type of spiritual journey with you, and they're very excited about the next chapter with you being in it, right? They have a lot of confidence and a lot of faith in the connection with you. So you guys may feel like, yeah, you're really falling in love. You may feel like this is your divine partner. You may feel like this is a person who mirrors you. This could be a mirror soul, a person who Gets happy when you're happy, gets triggered when you get triggered. You see a lot of yourself in them for some of you. And this person, they feel like at this time, they just want to listen to their heart about you. They have this thing where they have to shut their mind off sometimes about negative things that they could be telling themselves about you. And they're really fighting that right now. They're fighting their mind. They're trying to use their heart over their mind. They don't want their mind to lead them into the abyss of negativity. They want to stay positive, and that's what they're trying to do. So they're trying to tell their mind to not tell their heart what to do. They want to just love you from the heart space. They want to talk to you from the heart space. They want to just be in the heart space so that they won't make a mistake with you right now. This person kind of feels like they're walking on eggshells with you, because the mind always tells this person to give up on this. But this time, I feel like this person they don't want to give up. They don't want to give up on you. They don't want to give up on love. They don't want to let you go. So they're trying not to let negative thoughts get in the way of what they know they feel in their heart for you. And it's really a task for this person to be this way. So I kind of want to say, just let them be like this right now, because they're learning something. And I think they're learning how to love you and not run. They're learning how you guys, if you're like twin souls, then they're coming out of their runner. They're coming out of the runner stage. This is like and this is amazing, because what that means is that if you've already had a separation from them, then this is the stage right at the beginning of the union. So this is like the most beautiful part, is when this person realizes that it's time to stop running. It's time to face this love head on, and it's time to just admit that that's how I feel, right? But they're not telling you this. This is just something that they're trying to process mentally on their own. You may see this person as your perfect match. You may have an awareness that this is your mirror soul, that you guys have a lot of similarities, a lot in common, but you're also opposites at the same time. You could be the opposite zodiac signs. You could be, astrologically low compatibility if you want to read from a Western astrologer perspective. You guys may be total opposites of each other astrologically. However, the love is mutual. The love is the same. The loyalty is the same. The heart is the same. So some of you guys may feel like, you see this person ascending at this time. They're raising their spiritual vibration in order for them to come into more of the light and get out of darkness. So you're aware of like their little process that they're going through right now, trying to clear out some negative energy. This person also may be opening themselves up to receive love. Like they're trying to learn how to be more accepting of your love. Like they're not trying to keep running. So the process that I strongly feel like this person really wants to be with their twin soul in this lifetime. And they've been doing the work. Like they're really trying to do whatever they need to do to make sure that it happens in this lifetime. So this person at this time is opening up more in order to be able to receive these blessings that comes with this kind of connection, which is really amazing. And this person, you see that they are trying to become one with you. That's what you see. Like you literally can see that this person is working on themselves, and they're doing something, making some type of changes, compromises, sacrifices in order to really do this with you. And that's what they're doing. They really want this because they do believe that it is a spiritual or a divine connection. The number is 27, 9, 24 or 6, 19 or 1 can be significant to you or them in some kind of way. All right. And the way they see you, they just see you kind of going with the flow. Yeah, you're not They feel like you go with the flow, or you have the ability to go with the flow because of your understanding of what they're experiencing. And you're able to go with the flow also because you've done the work. That's how they feel. They feel like you've done the spiritual work that you needed to do. You've healed a lot. You have cleared a lot of that energy away from your chakras. And you seem to be pretty balanced in this connection. You seem to be the partner or the person with the balance. They feel like you've really connected to spiritual things and you made it make sense. They are a little bit behind you, but they're actually, they may be a little bit behind you, but they're actually reaching for the same things you're reaching for. But it's just that they're doing it in a different way, because this is like the opposite, right? That you could be the feminine, they could be the masculine, or vice versa. So the part of the journey that they're on is where they are learning to not run away. And if you've been the chaser, because what I'm getting in the way this is panning out, I feel like some of you have been the chaser. And what does that really mean, especially for my ladies out there? Being a female chaser, it means that maybe you've been trying to prove something to this person. Maybe you've been trying to get them to see things your way. And so it comes across like you've been kind of chasing them. That's how it's looking like. But I think that you put that down. I believe you put that down. The chasing, you let that go. And so this person feels like you're a few steps ahead of them, because it's, for them, it's just like, wow, they really can let me go whenever they want to, or they really can not call me sometimes. They really can feel comfortable with this. At first, this person used to freak out, because again, this is someone who's aware that you're their mirror soul. So they used to freak out. Like the thought of losing you makes them freak out, and it still does. But they're trying to come to a point where they can kind of be more like you and stop being the runner, stop running away from the connection, and be more open, and be more accepting and willing to love you on the level that you are on. So they kind of are trying to meet you where you are. They feel like you just always relax about everything. You're very lax, very chill. They feel like you trust the connection. You are like really, you really have a lot of faith in it. You really do. But they feel like, do you have acceptance? You may have faith, you may be chill, you may spiritually you may have evolved, but do you accept what is happening right now in the present moment? Are you willing to accept them the way that they are? They're not perfect, they're learning a lot of things, but can you accept them? And I think that that's what this person wants you to answer, that question, or to show them that. Because they feel like it's a little bit hard trying to love you, because you provide such an example for this person and how love should be. And they're trying to keep up. They're really, really trying to keep up with it. But they feel like, is this something that you're willing to accept, the idea that they are trying and that they are learning in this process? But they want you to, they definitely want you to live in the moment. They don't want you to go back to the past and bring old things up. And they don't even want you to focus on the future and what could happen. They just want you to feel them in this energy right now and kind of like embrace and accept them as they come to you now. But they do see you as being in perfect alignment with the stars right now. This is the time for love. That's how they feel. This is the time for you to love them and them to love you. This is the time for you guys to come together and become one. This person is ready to be with you. They're ready to be with you. They're not going to resist this. I feel like this person knows the truth of this entire connection now. And this is helping them to stop resisting it. And they want you to do the same thing. If you've been kind of resisting them, they want you to stop resisting them, because you know the truth. because you know the truth. You know that they love you, and that's how they feel. All right, that's all I have. God bless.